Delayed it guys. It might be. Ayan na. Ala! Ito, hintayin mo ako nandito. Oh my god, that's really hurts and oral. Basic lang to eh. Aray, pakatay ako. Agoy. So close, yeah, I know. It's a ikaw, no. Bakit ko kailangan ng bazooka? What are you waking here? I got a wrecking ball. Ito yung kinakanta ni Boss L guys eh. I got a wrecking ball. Si Jim, parang si Jimmy. Portal only way. What's that? Okay. This is easy, bro. Ay, mali. What is this play? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Kailangan ka pa ba ng helicopter? Hindi na. Great jump skill not. Hindi nga. Yung mga game pass na yan, hindi may mga Robux yan. Pwede lang kung ano yung coins, ganun. Yun, pwede yun. Ito na naman siya. Ay, pag nadaday kasi guys, into the abyss. Nalaman yun yung pangalan ni Ab, nung friend ko. Pangalan niya sa ano yun wait, ano nangyari? Ayan. Ano nangyari? Ba't ganun? Yun na. Full damage. Oh my god, bro. So close. Cats always stand on their feet. That is why I am good. Ay, favorite niya pala cat. Okay. That makes sense. I like Dodge. I like Dodge. What is Dodge? Dogs. What is Dodge? I don't know what is Dodge. Oh my god. Isang jump na lang. Sino nasty girl? Ang daming na nag-chat naman. Nakakainis naman to. Ano sabi niya? You were so close. This game is triggered. No. We can't give up. We can't give up. Yeah. Nani. Ito tinatral ba natin siya, hindi. Parang ako yun ang tutroll sa kanya eh. Sad naman. Parang tinutroll ko siya. Uy, sabay pa kami ah. Uy, sabay nga nahulog. Ah! Bruh. Really? Ah, nasty girl, nasty girl, nasty. Ah. I believe I don't lie. Bro! You have been playing up. Yeah. My jump is too weak today, but I'm not going to give up. I have played over 30 times. Okay. No. You need to jump at the end. Yeah, I know. Pinipress ko. Hine-hold ko na nga eh. Hine-hold ko na nga guys eh. Ay, sumumbra daw ko dyan. Kanina pa ako dito. Oh my god. Nung una guys, ang ano. I've been here for 4 minutes. Nasty girl, nasty girl. Nasty. Don't say that. So you're not gonna Sige, hindi na natin yung sasabihin. Promise, huwag mo kong ipol. Oh my god, pinol pa rin ako. 5 minutes na ako dito. Hindi pa rin ako na ano. Tignan nyo guys yung oras. 1:30 na. Nag-start kami 12. Like 12:13. Like that. I think not. I think 12:50. I think lang ah. This vid ay gana lang, but who cares? Haha. Nagsasulitong ako sa kanya sa inyo guys eh. Grabe naman to, palagi na lang nahuhulog naman. Nakakainis naman yun. Sige ah. Hina-hold ko na talaga. Oh my god. Good. Oh my god. Na-miss kasi yung lansan. Oh. Nasty girl. Nasty. Who turned out what? Ano daw? We can do a part 2. Part 2 na po to. Real. Alo, Tagalog to. Nakakainis kang ano ka. Okay. Strategy. Kailangan mag-land. Okay. And kailangan din maging slow. Okay, slow. Slow. Sabi ng slow. Who turned out the light? Sino ba? Ay, sus. Santísima. Pumupunta kasi sa edge. Edge. Ako tumalon. I'm so dumb.